Welcome everybody to my video here. I just figured I'd show you all what I use to edit videos. So this is not an in-depth how to use Filmora, but I figured I'd show you. Some people ask me what program I use and what I do when I make videos, so I figured I would just do a quick little video of something or other to kind of show you what we do here when we edit our videos. So I use Filmora, and today we're going to just go ahead and do our Christmas intro, which will probably come out just after Thanksgiving, which is what I usually do, seeing how it's almost October, and I didn't have any other video clips besides hockey footage to create for us. So I figured I'd go ahead and just do an intro because it's going to be quick and easy. So here I am loading up Filmora, and there's some of my pre-cut video clips that I use for the beginning of my normal hockey videos, and I just have to clear out my OCD. That little red circle would drive me nuts. So here I have saved on one of my portable drives some files that I'm just going to copy over, and you just have to drag and drop, which is a nice feature here with Filmora. So we're going to start off. I am going to grab my traditional intro, and we're going to grab that, drag it into the timeline, and from here it can be edited and all that stuff. So we're just taking a peek at some of the settings, and since I am going to be using a dub over music from Freddy, I've turned the volume off on the video clip that I have. Right, and here, so I'm just going to drag over a couple of the other clips that I have for the Christmas intro. So we're going to just drag them into the timeline. Gonna make them a little bit longer than their default. I think they're like default 5 seconds. Gonna extend those a smidge just to fit the video a little better. Right, so we got that done. Now we're gonna drag Freddy's song, the Ramones, Merry Christmas, Don't Wanna Fight Tonight. So we're dragging that into the timeline there. I'm just gonna do a quick save, just to be on the safe side. Save, save, save. Alright, so I'm trying to just kind of get a feel for how things are gonna look. So now we're gonna go add the snowflakes to make it more Christmassy. So again, I'm not going to go over all of the different elements and textures and stuff that Filmora has a boatload of them if you download them. Like I said, so I'm not going to go over those. If you all want me to do more in depth with that kind of stuff, I can. But here's a different listing and categories and stuff of all the texture things we're looking for. I'm looking for the holiday pack and the snowflakes. Alright, and then so when you click on any of those different elements, it'll show you a preview clip over there on the side there, kind of give an idea what it looked like in the video. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to add it beforehand. So, but that's the one I was looking for, so I'm gonna add that to the video here in just a second. I'm just trying to find where it's a good place to add it. And I don't want it in the intro part, so I figured here where I'm the beginning of introducing ourselves, I'll start adding the flakes there. So I'm just going to drag it to the timeline, extend it to the length of the video, and bam. And I'll take a quick peek and see what it looks like. See if I got the timing right. And it looks like kind of starts where I wanted it to. And I'm just looking at other options that were there, because I'm pretty sure that's the snowflakes I want. I can't remember if there was any other snowflakey one, so I was just checking here, but it doesn't appear to be. So We're going to stick with what we have.
Merry Christmas, I don't.
So you can, with that, you can kind of zoom in on your timeline. Just take a look at, make it more even. So right now I'm going to trim the song and end it to where I think would be the best kind of place to end it. So we're going to give it a playthrough and see if we can end it on a good beat or tempo that will feel right for the intro. Freddy's chicken butt as usual. He made that for us last year for last Christmas. Alright, so I think I'm going to end it there. So I'm just going to trim the audio so you can see I just use a little scissor. Just make sure you're on the right thing. So on there you make sure you're on the audio, or if you're up top you're in the video, that little pair of scissors will trim it. So I'm just going to extend everything to match the end of the song. So now it should all end at the same place. And now I want to make sure I include our thanks to Freddy for his help with that song. So we're going to add him to the intro here too. So we're just trying to find a good Christmassy text that we can put at the bottom of the screen. I think we found one with a Christmas tree. Can't get more Christmassier than that. So now we're just going to add it right kind of at the right time. And looks like that's a good spot. So we're going to stay there. Kind of drag a little bit lower so it's not so in your face. Up in the very, kind of feels like it was in the middle of the video there. So I'm just going to drag it down more to the corner. Looks a little more tidy down here. A little more professional. And now we're just going to give credit to Freddy. And now you can resize the text and all that good stuff, but it looks like it fits it well. So and there's enough room, so I just added intro music. Save again. Never know when you're going to unexpectedly have a system crash or the software crash or your computer dies. It's always good to save.
Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight. Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight with. Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight with. Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight with you. When Santa and his sleigh, tell me why is it always this way? Where's the wrong? Where is this baby? Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. All children are tucked in their bed. Sugar bug, Merry dancing in their hair. Snow white, so exciting, baby.
Alright, so we're about done. So usually I like to have the music fade out just before the end of the video clip for most things. So I'm going to do it for this one. And now we're just going to export the video. So you click on export. Hopefully it opens. There we go. Go to settings. You can do the size of the video you want, 720, 1080, that kind of stuff. You can do the frame rate as well, so I always do 60 frames. And you just name it something just for your notes there. So like I said, come November, this will be our intro. So I've just named it so I can find it, so then I'll add it to the little clips over there on the left hand side that you'll see. So now it's just compiling, and this isn't compiling in real time, so this is only a short video, it doesn't take very long. My normal hockey videos, when I do them, to edit them can take 3 to 4 hours with all the different cameras I have. Compiling them can take maybe 5 minutes, give or take, 10 at the most if it's like a really long video, but most of my videos are about 20-30 minutes, so well, like 5 or 6 minutes, nothing too bad. So it's just compiling through here. And what we're going to do is after this is done compiling, we will go and take a final look at the final product. Thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight.